most of your so-called acne that you have on your face and scars?
Elliston Country Store. Yes, you're outside. Refrigerator? Yeah, but it's not running to where I have to go catch it. Is there something I can get you, or? Hello? Okay, that was weird.
Was it just supposed to be a prank call?
I think so. They're like, are you open till 7? Yeah. Is your refrigerator running? Yeah, but it's not running to where I have to go catch it. You don't have to.
Hey, use one of those propane tanks.
Yeah. Changes on the metal, or I guess it's technically like copper, and I guess, yeah. Hurry! What?
You just wait for 2 seconds while I see the dogs. I want to see it.
It smells like propane. Yummy. Alright, I guess we'll wait.
I love those blowtorch things.
These are fun, but mine's not. I think it's because of the cold. It's not igniting.
Where'd you get that thing?
This company called Brand New Industries,
Yeah.
Santa Barbara.
How much was it?
Only like $100.
Not bad.
120, but and they like were really great to work with. Like he helped me size it and everything, so that you can see the letters when you turn it. Oh, you know what? Can you go get me one of those pieces of scrap wood? There's
The storeroom or out back?
out back. There's just a couple. Get one that will have a big enough space for this.
To just put it on?
Yeah, I just have to test it. Oh, stupid.
You want me to change colors?
It's starting to make a little.
It's like a copper color.
Yeah, because it's copper. Exactly.
that looks so good.
Yes, is a little bit, but you get the point.
That's so rad.
Cool.
Dude, that is so good.
Could try like hovering the camera over it where you can just get it.
Yeah.
Oh, get the camera. You mean that or the?
Oh, you're gonna get another one for
I don't want it.
stained too, right?
For what?
You want to get another shot when it's like stained or?
Oh yeah, I'll get lots more shots.
Yeah,
yeah.
he'll
Don't
get
worry,
a
I'll
ton
get
of
a ton of
shots.
shots. I'll do it in the day when the lighting's really good. That'll be the shots that will be like, you know, like we're building this today, and I'll show like the
Yes.
finished stuff. But
Nice. And these look so good with that stain on them.
yeah, isn't that
Yes,
nice?
so nice.
I like that.
I love it.
Those
dude.
are nice. Those are $20 at Power Townsend. and
Those
they're
are
just-
$20.
These big ones, and they're, I mean, they're really like
Sturdy.
square too, yeah, and they're kiln dried, which kiln dried is like sometimes good, sometimes not that great.
Huh.
Kind of what the what?
Like in the middle of the day one time, Hoot just came over to my mom with a dead mouse in his mouth, and we were like,
Caned over.
I didn't.
Wait, what was the name of the animal?
Hoot.
Oh, that's what I thought you said. That's so cute.
Hoot.
Mom's favorite animal is an owl. I love owls. Are you serious? Your mom?
She has over 20 just here. So
20 like real live owls.
no, like
Dude, last year I was on Orcas Island in the San Juans, and that is not my friend.
We don't have friends.
my
And I was coming down this road that me and Rennie would always go and walk on. And I go, oh, it's Linda. Yeah. Hey, Linda. How are you? Great. How are you?
loving the snow.
Loving it every day. Good. I have a question for you. So I was under the impression that the black cherry is black cherry, right? What's your favorite? But then Kevin told me that it's actually strawberry lemonade. I'm like, shit, this whole time I've been ordering the wrong one. No, it's okay. No, I'll get it for you. Whenever. The next one. You said you don't like them. Yeah. But we don't know where they're going yet.
What? No.
This is just. I know, I can't believe that. Yeah. That is, I mean, that is a sad. Yeah, so we don't know, today we don't know if that's I'm going to have my grandma's art stuff. So, where's my bag? So we're both like struggling right now. Wow, orders. How long were you guys at that? Oh God, you can't imagine hearing about the I'm sorry. Well, thank you. So,
You're putting up new stuff so you can put more stuff up.
Yes.
Exactly.
This is my brother Caleb. Oh,
Hi.
yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Just branding.
Who's doing this?
Branded it.
He branded it. Yeah, he just
Branded
branded it.
Oh, you